SP Request a Quote. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your quote request experience in Shopify. Before we begin, here's a quick look at what we'll cover. You'll learn how to customize your quote widget, add the Add to Quote button, enable the app on your storefront, and see the complete customer experience from start to finish. A quick note for first-time users. After installing the app, you'll land on the initial setup screen. Click Get Started, and follow the guided setup to configure the basics. Once completed, you'll be taken to the main dashboard for the full setup. Let's start with the Quote Widget. Go to On-Site Content, choose Quote Widget, and click Configure. First, choose a widget style, a circle with an icon or a rectangle with text. For the circle style, upload your icon and select the size you prefer. For the rectangle style, customize the button text, such as Get Quote, then adjust the size and orientation to match your storefront. Next, choose where the floating quote widget appears on desktop and mobile. Then customize the background and text colors to match your brand. Use the preview to see exactly how the widget will appear to customers. The small number on the widget shows how many items are currently in the customer's quote cart. Finally, choose an animation effect and decide whether the widget should appear on all pages or only on specific pages. When you're done, click Save. Next, let's add the Add to Quote button to your product and collection pages. Go back to On-Site Content, choose Product Page, and click Setup in Theme Editor. Make sure the Add to Quote button is added to your product template. Customize the Add to Quote button to match your brand and click Save. Once enabled, the Add to Quote button will appear right below the Add to Cart button. For collection pages, return to On-Site Content, choose Collection Page, and click Contact Us for a quick setup. This opens a chat with our support team, who can help add to Quote buttons to all eligible products on your collection pages. The final step is to enable the app on your storefront. Head back to the main dashboard and click Enable Now. Check that the app is enabled in App Embeds. If not, turn it on and save. Once all 3 setup steps are complete, your store is ready to receive quote requests. Now let's see what your customers experience. They add products to their quote cart, fill in the required information, and submit the request. The request is sent directly to your store through the app. Buyers can also message the merchant and track all quotes from their side. All quote requests appear in Manage Quotation in your admin. Review the request, adjust pricing if needed, and send the quote back to the customer. You can communicate directly through the built-in chat. Once the customer accepts the quote, you can convert it into a Shopify draft order with a single click. That's it for this tutorial. If you need any help, feel free to contact our support team at any time. Thanks for watching.